Wow, that is cool.
I always wanted a truck like this.
Right.
So I drew it, and now I built it. There's nothing like the feeling of dragging something home from the weeds and building something that looks like this.
Yeah. Let's see if she'll rock a little. Wow, I love this.
Oh my God, look at it. Oh. So we got the carpet in, gauges, new steering wheel. Peace out.
Buffalo, buffalo, buffalo.
You know what? I think he's gonna whack.
He looks really good with a Teletubby in front of him.
With a what? With a what in front of him? Are you okay? Hey, you're on film right now, you know. A what? What?
You look like a Teletubby. Oh, I love you.
Here's my sign of me.
I can't look at you.
We're family friendly.
I know, but I'm gonna pee my pants.
Classic Truck Rescue. Sometimes I pretend like I don't have video cameras. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a week and a half since I put up a video, and I'm starting to get strange comments like, are you still alive? Well, I'm going to be honest with you folks. There may be other reasons besides me being dead that will prevent me from uploading videos right now, and I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I'm just not. This is an update for the people that think I'm dead. Right now, I'm just going to show you why I'm not putting up a video. I'm putting in a septic system for our house and a temporary roof over the section that I need to build now. Everything has to be done in its order. Right now, the septic system has to be put in before we get a deluge of rain here in Northwest Oregon. And like everything else, the septic system involves more work than I anticipated. I've had a good crew helping me. I'm saving all that for the video, but I'm doing all the digging. I got to do all the manual labor I got to do out here. So Jamie and I scrape together the funds and we pay the professionals to do what the professionals have to do, so I don't screw it up. But anyways, every now and then a project comes along like this that's time consuming, labor intense, and takes a lot of time. And if I have a choice between moving forward on this property and making videos, I have to move forward on the property. Anyway, so that concrete box right there, we've already got the septic tank in. I've got the high pressure line run all the way to the septic tank. We've got a lot done. What I have left to do is my drain field, which is going out here. That concrete box was supposed to go right here, and then we were going to have a 125 foot run going that way. We were going to come over 10 feet and have 100 foot of that stuff going that way. Well, there was a problem. The ground right here is 14 inches higher than it is down way down there at the other end. So it was deemed that rather than have a 125 foot run and a 100 foot run, I would have 3 75 foot runs. The 125 foot and 100 foot one equal 225 feet, and the 375 ones equal 225 feet. The math is the same for both. As long as I have a total of 225 feet, I'm good. So now that box, instead of going here, right there, is going over there. I just dug this ditch, and then I'm gonna branch off it 1, 2, 3. But first I got to do some more rototilling. So that's where I've been. That's going to be it for this video. That's where I'm at. That's why I'm not posting videos right now, because I have a lot of work to get done on this, so I can get the inspection done this Thursday and be done with this before winter hits, and then I can go back to work on what I was working on, which you haven't seen either, which is I'm putting a temporary roof over this section of the house that has to be built, so it doesn't get soaking wet as soon as I start building it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe. Please subscribe, because when I don't put videos up, we lose subscribers, and we'd like the channel to continue growing. It won't all be drudgery all the time, and there'll come a time when I don't have to build out here. Well, I'll build trucks, but when I don't have to build the infrastructure out here, and we'll be able to be more consistent with the videos. Anyways, I got to get back to work. Classic Truck Rescue, thanks for watching, thanks for caring. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, keep coming back, and ding, click the notification bell. Peace out, folks.